Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find the clipboard on an iPhone. So to view your clipboard on iPhone, you won't need to download any third-party app because Apple already includes the tool you need. First, go to your home screen page, and in most cases, you'll find the app inside the utilities bar. So the app you're looking for is called Shortcuts. If you don't immediately see it, simply swipe down on the home screen and type Shortcuts. Once you see it, tap on it. Now, inside the Shortcuts app, we can quickly create a simple shortcut that lets you check whatever is currently copied to your clipboard. So go to the library section and click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, in the search actions bar, type in clipboard, and from the results, choose get clipboard. After that, tap search actions again and type show result or show content, then tap on it. So select that option so the shortcut will display whatever text, link, or item is currently saved in your clipboard. Now tap back in the top left and your new clipboard shortcut will be saved there. So from this point on, anytime you want to check your clipboard, simply tap that shortcut. It will instantly run and show you the content that was last copied on your iPhone. And that's how you can quickly find and view the clipboard on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.